Hi, my name's Mark, and I thought I'd do a quick video on strategies. What is a strategy? It's weird because lots of people talk about strategy. They want HMOs, they want SAs, they want singlets, they want assisted sales, they want flips and stuff, or they want commercial conversions. And these strategies are all over the internet. They're all over. Okay. So when we're searching for a property, be aware of what your business goals are. Now, your business goals are generally money, income, and if you're investing and buying and holding, that's a different term. So we've got two heads. We've got the investor head, or our investor head, and our trader head. Our investor head is buy and hold, and you've got to pick the type of stock that you want to buy and hold based on what works in the area, based on what stock you've got, based on what strategy you've selected, based on what your current skill set is. That's the investor head. The trader head will say, this is what I can trade out, and you can't buy everything in an area that you come across. So some it's worth trading out. And that's called deal packaging or sourcing, or there's loads of names for it. I call it trading, I suppose. And if you want to rent out to tenants and keep them and buy everything, that's an investor head. If you want to trade stuff out, that is a trading head. That's for income. Now, both make money, and none is any better or worse than the other one. The buying one is slow burn. And let's say you've got, £200,000 in the bank and you start with 200 grand. In certain parts of the country, you'll be able to buy 5 or 6 properties. In other parts of the country, you might only be able to buy one. So we've got to decide what the value of the stock is in the area with our investor head versus our trader head. If you haven't got a lot of money to start with, or you're starting from the kitchen table, you might want to trade first to bring in income to build the pot so that you can go investing yourself. So trading is a good way to build a pot of cash. You might need some help with that. And then you might decide to do lease options, or you might decide to do assisted sales, or you might decide to just trade them out as a deal sourcer. You might do EDCs, which is exchange with a delayed completion. You might do, I'm trying to think now, trade HMOs, or trade rent to rent, or trade SA properties. You can trade any of the strategies. As an investor, you can only kind of do one really, do one really, really well. But as a deal trader, you can trade anything out. So you don't have to walk by deals. You can get any one of them out there. So my name's Mark. If you need some help on your property journey because you're getting stuck, by all means give us a shout. I hope you choose a strategy with the investor head that suits your goals, and I hope you trade the stuff that you don't want to bring in income, because that's what it's for. So my name's Mark. I'll put a link in the comments below so you can get in touch if you want to. We can chat. If you become a client at some point, there's no heavy duty sale or pitch or anything. But if you become a client, I'll be chuffed to bits. But let's have a chat and see if we're right for each other.